Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on absolute error, relative error and percentage error. How to represent the given function and define absolute, relative and percentage error. We are going to learn step by step considering the function with respect to the terms, that is x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 and del x, del y, del z equal to 0.01. First, let us represent the given solution. Represent the given, that is u which is equal to 5x y square by z cube, then comma x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 and del x, del y, del z which is equal to 0.001. We are supposed to find the absolute error. To find the absolute error, we have, that is absolute error is given by del u which is equal to modulus of dou u by dou x del x plus dou u by dou y del y plus dou u by dou z del z. Then now I need to differentiate partially u with respect to x, y and z. Now let us differentiate partially with respect to x comma y comma z. Now assume this as equation number 1. Then now after considering this as equation number 1, let us differentiate, that is dou u by dou x which is equal to dou by dou x into 5x y square divided by z cube. That is, see, I need to differentiate with respect to x. See, this is whole is one term. So what I am going to do, I am going to consider 5y square z cube as constant. Okay, now the remaining part is x. I need to differentiate x. I have x, so differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Got the point? 1 into 5y square, that is 5y square divided by z cube, represented as equation number A. Next, differentiate u with respect to y, that is dou by dou y. What is u? We have 5x y square divided by z cube, which is equal to, see, I need to differentiate y square. 5x by z cube remains constant. 5x by z cube remains constant. Differentiation of y square 2y, which is equal to 5 2s are 10xy divided by z cube. Assume this as equation number B. Then now let us differentiate u with respect to z. Dou u by dou z which is equal to dou by dou z into 5x y square divided by z cube. Since I need to differentiate z cube, but see, we have z cube, 5x y square remains constant, but I need to differentiate 1 by z cube. 1 by z cube I need to differentiate. To differentiate 1 by z cube, it is very easy. Just consider z to the power of minus 3. 1 by z cube can be written as z to the power of minus 3. Now differentiate x to the power of n, that is n into x to the power of n minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 into z to the power of minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 into z to the power of minus 4, that is minus 3 by z to the power of 4. Got the point? After differentiation you get, that is minus 3 by z to the power of 4, that is minus 3 by z to the power of 4. Minus into plus, minus 5 3s are 15xy square divided by z to the power of 4. Consider this as equation number C. Now substitute A, B and C in equation number 1. Equation number 1. If you substitute in equation number 1, del u, which is equal to modulus of what is dou u by dou x, that is 5 y square divided by z cube into del x plus 10xy divided by z cube. Okay, modulus, this is modulus del y plus modulus minus 15x y square divided by z to the power of 4 into del z. Got the point? Now, after representing this, after representing, now let us represent the terms, that is del u, which is equal to 5y square divided by z cube into del x plus 10xy divided by z cube into del y plus minus become plus since it is in modulus, so 15 x y square divided by z to the power of 4 into del z. Got the point? After representing del u, that is absolute error, we are going to substitute the values of x, y, z and del x, del y, del z. That is x equal to y equal to put x equal to y equal to z equal to 1, comma del x equal to del y equal to del z, which is equal to 0.001. Then now substitute this value in del u, that is del u, which is equal to 5 into 1 square divided by 1 cube into 0.001 plus 10 into 1 into 1 divided by 1 cube into 0.0001, okay, 001 plus 15 into 1 into 1 square divided by 1 power of 4 into 0.001. Now, using the calculator, let us represent del u. Then it is very easy. Okay. See, take your calculator, press numerator denominator, okay, or else first bracket, open numerator denominator. 5 into 1 by 1, again it is 5. It is not necessary to calculate everything. We have 5 into 0.01, close the bracket. Again, if you go with the second term, you can represent 10 into 1, 10, 10 into 1, 10, 10 by 1 cube, again 10. Okay, plus 10 into 0.001, close the bracket, plus 15 into 0.001, close the bracket, press st, you get okay, if you 0.03, okay, we get 0.03. What is this? This 0.03 is the absolute error. Okay, this is our, therefore I am going to write absolute error, which is equal to del u, which is equal to 0.03. 0.03. This is our absolute error. Then next we are supposed to find relative error. Next is relative error. Okay, how to find relative error? We have the condition relative error is given by del u by u. Got the point? Relative error is given by del u by u. We have del u, but we don't have u. What is u? U is the function value, u, which is equal to 5x y square divided by z cube, where we are supposed to find put the value of x equal to 1, okay, x equal to y equal to z equal to 1, x equal to y equal to z equal to 1. If you simplify, u equal to 5 into 1 square divided by 1 cube, where u will be equal to 5. See, we have the value of u and we have the value of del u. That is del u, which is equal to 0.03, where relative error, which is equal to del u by u, that is 0.03 divided by 5. Relative error, which is equal to del u by u. Okay, after finding del u by u, that is 0.03 divided by 5, you get 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3, or else if you put shift eng twice, you get relative error del u by u, which is equal to 0.006. This is the value of relative error. Got the point? Next is percentage error. Okay, I am going to represent here itself. Percentage error. Percentage error is given by, I can represent it as PE, which is equal to relative error into 100%. That is percentage error, which is equal to del u by u into 100%. That is PE, or okay, let us represent percentage error itself. Percentage error, which is equal to, what is del u? I have got 0.006 into 100. Okay, percentage error, which is equal to 0.06 into 100 into 100, you get 0.6 percentage. 0.6 percentage. This is the percentage error of the given set of function. Got the point? This is how we are supposed to represent absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. Let us take a recap. First, what we are supposed to do? First, represent the given function, that is u, x, y, z value, and del x, del y, del z. Done. Now first they have asked to find absolute error. This is the standard representation of the absolute error. That means I am supposed to differentiate u partially with respect to x, y, z. Differentiate partially with respect to x, represent it as a. Differentiate u with respect to y, represent it as b. Differentiate partially u with respect to z, represent it as c. Substitute a, b, c in equation number 1 and represent, apply the modulus. When you apply the modulus, negative becomes positive. Substitute the terms, you get del u, that is absolute error. Considering this absolute error, we are going to find the relative error. How to find relative error? We have del u by u. So again, we have del u, but we don't have u. U is the function. Substitute the value of x, y, z, you get u. Substitute, you get relative error, that is 0.006. After finding the relative error, next is to find the percentage error. Substitute relative error into 100%, that is 0.006 into 100%, you get 0.6 is the percentage error of the given set of function. I hope you have understood each and every step of finding absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. For more videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.